Hi everyone, everything okay?
Today we show you one of the most incredible parts in the world, Xcaret.
Xcaret is a complete park that brings a lot of culture, history, gastronomy, nature and fun.
From the beginning, we took the equipment and went through the underground rivers with its crystal clear waters and many fish. In the park we also have access to beach space and natural pools.
The park has a very diverse zoo and you can also swim with the dolphins in the pool. However, as you can see in the other video about Isla Mujeres, we chose to swim with the dolphins in the sea.
Amid so much nature, there is a much of the culture, part of the Meias, as a field of the Meia Pelota game, which you can see more in our video of Chichén Itzá. Has two chapéus on off-day, the altar is the middle of Grand Water.
Another curiosity of Xcaret is that it has a typical Mexican cemetery that, unlike Brazilian culture, they celebrate death just as they fast on the Day of the Dead. The cemetery is all colored and each tomb is a creative and fun work.
At the end of the afternoon hour, attractions are closed and everyone goes to see the espetáculo, which is through espetáculo, in which magic story told with a lot of passion and patriotism. It's very beautiful to see. It's certainly one of the attractions not to be missed.
So guys, for today's just, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.